Alright, just got a call from Drew. He's headed on to his mom's house to do a little bit of work to the BMW. So I'm grabbing my potassium and we are on the road. Let's do this. What up, man?
What's up, dude?
So what are you doing?
Well, originally what I was going to do was sand the car today. But I got the sander and the sandpaper at home.
Oh.
I remember when I was already on my way here, I didn't want to actually when I was at Jones Road. Didn't want to come out.
Are those your molds or are those the ones you made?
Yeah, these are the molds.
Okay.
I just made them last night. I just pulled them out today. I got a little bit of like touch-up spots I gotta do. But so yeah, I grabbed those when I was leaving, so I figured do that, and then I'm going to put on the shifter.
Oh, you got a new shifter?
I
Was
had
that?
it.
Did you?
Yeah.
How long have you had that?
For like a few months. But it's, man, I told you about it the other day.
You might have, and I might have even seen it. I probably even filmed it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you did. It's because I didn't, I've had it for a long time, but I didn't have the O-rings for it.
Mm-hmm.
And then so, I just went today, and I went to the store and picked up some O-rings. Now I wish I would have done it when I was changing out that flex joint. Because I had the drive shaft off, and I was just like right there. And I got.
Do you have to take the drive shaft off to change your shifter?
No.
Oh.
But it makes, and I'm just saying, it's a lot more accessible, because the linkage sits right above the drive shaft right there. So you have to reach up. So
I was able to do mine inside the car.
Oh yeah, this one you can't. It's got a like a clip. Well, I don't know if you can. If you can, I think it's probably gonna be pretty hard. But so I gotta figure out how to take all this shit off. I don't think it just. I don't know. Maybe it just pops out, but I gotta figure out how to get this thing just supposed to be pushed. Oh shit. Well, that's how that comes off. This just pops out. Wait, I don't need to take this off. You work today?
Yeah, I worked today. Stupid ass job.
What the hell is oh. My brakes came today.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, they're right there. They're like they were sitting in dirt or something. They're dirty. Crap. They're not rusty though, but they're just dirty. Get. I'm not sure exactly what I'm supposed to be turning.
Was it like a C-clip in there or something?
No, I don't even know what this is. It's like, looks like something that's about to break. Oh.
Did it break?
Something broke up. I don't even think any of this part goes back in when I do this, just in case I don't want to break it. It's like one little clip is like sliding over his head. and it's like kind of hard to get to. I'm sure how this thing goes on, man. I have no idea how to take this thing off. I don't even know what direction it goes.
There should be a pin at the end of it.
Well, there's a pin, but it's got this clip.
Oh, I see the clip.
And the clip can come off. It's supposed to like pop off, but I can't get it. You know what? Maybe going from the top down.
I can see it's got two little round pieces near the top, so it almost looks like if you push down on it with a pair of like pliers or something, it would pop off.
It's hard to get my hand in there right there. I know it was this one from the top. No, this was long.
Your hair's getting long again, dude.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting for it to when it gets warm. I'm gonna cut it. It's just been too cold for work. I was gonna cut it, but it's like, oh, there it's going. I think. No, I think I'm gonna have to sand part of this down. From what I read, this shit's too long here. But
That's the same. That's the same piece that gave me trouble on my shifter in the drift stang.
oh yeah, they can cut that down.
Yep.
Damn, I'm gonna have to go back down.
I like how you finesse this. You're just like stabbing it with a screwdriver, committing a murder. There wasn't a pin that slid through?
Yeah, it's got a little like arm thing. I got it right down there.
It's like a game of Ring Around the Rosie here.
It's stuck. Oh, something just fell. I was watching some videos the other day about the car, and there's like features about like BMWs that you probably didn't know about.
Mm-hmm.
And it's got a thing where it's like, say I left the windows down, I turned the car off, I was like, crap, I forgot to put my windows back up.
Mm-hmm.
I put the key in. Huh?
You hold a button?
No, you just put the key in, then you turn it, and you hold it locked, and then it puts the windows up, and it'll close the sunroof.
Well, you can't hit the button?
Huh?
You can't hit the
Well,
button?
if you already have like your keys out, and you know you shut your car, if you're outside your car, or say it's like starting to rain, you're like, crap, you just gotta run out and then turn the thing. But because I don't got a key fob or nothing with mine.
Oh. Because I know with Mercedes you can like hold a button and stuff.
Yeah, I don't know if they have it with the.
Like on my car and the ST, you can hold down your unlock button and the windows will roll down, but you can't make them roll back up.
I'm not even sure I'm turning the right part. This whole thing I can't fucking get out either. I want to watch a video real quick. I think so. That dude said clockwise. Oh, that's as far as it's.
It said 90, you should be able to yank up on the whole thing.
Yeah, well, I still got that pin in down there. I can't fucking get it.
Oh, well, that's probably what's holding it in place then. Why wouldn't you remove the
No, I
pin?
had to make sure I had that turned all the way, though. There we go. Will it pull up?
No.
No?
I didn't pull it super hard though, because I have been going back to the gym, but I didn't want to break it.
We need a lift, man.
Yep.
I get tired of climbing under it.
I can tell. And on the times that I do crawl underneath the car, I get tired of it as well. Looks like it's time for you to clear out the garage.
Oh, yeah.
When did you get out of the military?
2012. 5 years ago.
So this is 5 years of buildup, man.
In here?
Yes.
Oh no, it's longer than that because I had stuff here already.
Oh yeah. Good point. How much stuff are you sending with Tim?
Everything.
Not enough that it's gonna make a dent.
Everything that goes with this bike. So it's gonna be the bike. I got boxes down there. I got some boxes down there. This box of parts over here.
You still got pieces from the Honda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, this is one. I'm sure I had one of these on both sides and the one fell off. So. This is damn. Should have the I don't want to climb down there though.
I was gonna try and measure this one, but I don't know how that thing works. I mean, I understand the principles behind it, but I've never used it.
Close. 879. So remember 879.
879.
And this is 911.
Ooh, that's horrible.
879. I got the same as now. Should be fine. Always good to have some fit machines tools on here. Not sure if it's good to have petroleum-based grease on rubber. No, it shouldn't be a problem because like the rubber bushings and grease. I don't even know where my grease is at. Oh, there it is. Give me that tub of grease, or tube of grease.
Yep.
Where be the light?
Right here next to me.
Okay. Thank you.
Got worried there for a second. Thought I was gonna get dirty. Crisis averted.
The angle's back, right? It should angle back. Yeah, it can forward off if we hit that shit. It doesn't seem like it's going all the way. That top O-ring is just right there. Oh, there we go. All right, perfect. Almost. Oh. So it's hard getting off. I hope it's easier getting it on. Can you hold this shifter? Like that. Like, push it to the other side. Driver's side. Yep.
Wait, you said driver's side?
Yeah, I said driver's side. Now push it towards the other side. Wait, back, centered. Push it, passenger side.
Did you want it to come out of there?
Huh?
Did you want it to come out of there?
Do I want it to come out?
Okay, there we have the new shifter. It seems to shift pretty good. Just let me know how it shifts on the street.
Right.
It's a short throw, right?
Yep.
So it should be a lot better. So, yeah. Mission shifter accomplished. I would have been here sooner, but I started going to the gym again. So like after I got out of the gym, I had to like pose in front of the mirror for like a good 30 minutes before I decided to come over this way. Brought a banana. I didn't bring enough for both of us, I'm sorry. You doing anything for Valentine's Day?
Work.
Yeah, me too. Did you get Priscilla anything? Don't worry, I'll cut that out.
No.